Hello YouTube, back again with another video. This is gonna be a new tool haul, Matco, and this I got from Snap-on for this week. This is my new two tools for this week. Now I got this for my grease gun, which is my Milwaukee. I didn't have, and I posted a video of the locking Harbor Freight grease coupler you could use, so you could switch between your regular and an inline a side port grease coupler. I ended up breaking that, but I'm on the progress to get a new one. And well, for now I got this one from Snap-on, since Snap-on came in today. So it's not a Snap-on brand, but I guess they sold it on the truck, so try to find it on Amazon, and then I'll post a little picture right there, maybe put in the description. Got that, and then I got a, what's the term for this? A under dash creeper from MICC. This one was $180. Oh, and this one was $140 from Snap-on. And this, it wasn't that bad of a price for that. And if you have any problems, you could contact Matco. So decided to get it. I had some times where I had to do some steering columns and some fuse panel work and stuff like that. So this would be nice for that. It's more towards more lower cars. Maybe some lower, not really low trucks, but like normal right height trucks. That'll work in. I'll demonstrate right now on this, but we'll take a look at this first. So it comes with these right there, those 7. First one's a pressed on 90°. Your second is straight extension, 12 hose extension. There's that one. You have a slide on 90° coupler, rubber tip nozzle, a needle nose, and 360° coupler. So let's open it. I did open it already because I want to make sure nothing was damaged or whatnot. And part number is the Lincoln brand. Part number right there is 58000. So here's your hose. It has just a regular connect, and then there, so you can put it to your grease coupler. So if you don't want to take this off, but I believe you can, and then you could probably thread in, take that nipple off, and then thread this part into there, so you could permanently have it there, and you don't have to worry about another port where grease will come out of. So if you don't, you could just put it on there, put that there. Is it on there right? Yeah, it's on there right. And then from there you have your regular, but you could put now in one of these. It looks a little bigger, and press it on there, and it actually is pretty sturdy, more than over here. That's why I would like to take this part and just thread it to my main hose. And then this is the 360° one. So this one has this part where you push this and then it locks. There's different positions. Oh, sorry. So there's that one. See, it takes quite a bit of pressure there to take that one off. There's a 90° press fit. That's the 90° one. Maybe you could turn it around. Yeah. There's that one. Oh. Yeah, they're pretty good. They stay on there pretty good. And then there's this needle nose one. I believe it's called needle nose. It is number 6. Yeah, needle nozzle. That's what they call it. you have the slide in 90-degree one. So basically that one is the same as this one that I kind of configured, but it's just an extended version. So that's pretty cool. And then you have, oh shit, this rubber tip nozzle one. The name for it on the paper is rubber tip nozzle. And then you have this one here, which is a weird port. It's an extended port, and that one is number 2 straight extension. Don't know which one you would use, this one or this one. So if you guys know what you would use these adapters for, put it down in the comments below. I have no idea what you would use this for. But, yeah. So let's try it. Let's see if we take this fitting off. Oh. This is your regular straight fitting here, or coupling, and then we're gonna take this hose from this kit and take that fitting off, so we could directly just put that hose to this right here. Or you know what? Actually, now that I think about it, we could just probably take this piece off. This is front piece, and then just use all the adapters so we don't have an super long hose if we don't really need one. Let me go get a Christ and I'll be back. So let's take this fitting off here and just put that fitting on here instead of taking it off from right there. Sorry guys, I had to close the garage. It started raining, pouring, thundering, so yeah, do it inside the garage. So now that we have the right wrenches, we'll take this coupling off to attach that to our grease gun, Milwaukee grease gun. Take this here, and then where's the fucking thing? Here. Okay. After you take them off, I had to do it off camera because they really didn't want you to take it off. But I got it off. In the process, it kind of messed up a little right there. Put some light. It messed up a little bit of the right there. Little damn angles, especially right here. It's okay. No problem. Okay. Remove this is a hose extension piece. My hose from my Milwaukee is long enough. I don't know the length of it. You can find out online. It's pretty long. See, it's all the way up to here. So now we just get the piece we took off from this kit extension. What's this length of this extension? 12 inch, so a foot. I'm guessing from that where this piece would be over here to here, about a foot. It's 12 inches, and then we'll put this piece on here. So we'll tiny. pretty tight right there. We'll call that good. So now you have that piece from this extension kit there. So now you don't need this extension. Now you could just use all these adapters from your bare Milwaukee. Man, you can really hear that rain over there and that thunder. So if you do need more, if you do want more length from your grease gun, I suggest you just take off that fitting right there. You just use a socket. I believe it's a it is a 11 millimeter. Again, 11. Put it on there. Pop her off. You're gonna need a wrench maybe right here, or some vice grips to hold it, and then pop it off. Or if you have a vice, that'd be cool. So you could pop it off, and then you just thread this end to that end of your hose if you want longer hose. In my case, I don't need that long of a hose. My grease gun is long enough, so we'll put that on the box. Put that back on the box, and then we'll just run it like this. So, whichever adapter I need, put it on, put it in place, and we're good to go. You put whichever one of these adapters you want, whether it's this one, whether it's this one, whichever one. And I wonder if you guys could hear that thunder we're getting here down in Texas. So there's the grease gun. I'll make some sample videos off this kit so you guys could see it. I do not know what's this rubber tip for. I know this, from now reading the book, it says it's good for U-joints. We'll test it out. I'll put a sample video. And now to this Matco under dash creeper. So we're gonna test it on my truck. Sorry for that rain, but damn, look at that rain. It's fucking pouring outside. Couple things of it. Back, front, end here. Matco branding there. Matco branding there. You have a little parts tray here. Might be wobbly from how much times I've been. Yeah, it's a little wobbly. I gotta tighten them screws down. But I've been moving it a lot, so that's my fault. I don't know if that's a magnet. Let's get this should be magnetic. Here, we'll try it from this socket. Didn't need that. Let's try. Oh, it's not magnetic. I guess not. Oh, maybe it's metal, so you could put a magnet on there. I don't have any magnetic lights on me. But we'll try it on my. This is a Ranger here. We'll try it on my Ranger. Let me set it. Well, let me show you how to set it up. So, here on the back end, there's your little parts tray. This is where your stand is. There's a pin there, and there's a ball bearing, so you don't have to take that pin bearing off. It just pops off. And there's two positions there, and up here. So when you move this up, you put it to that upper hole. So, just like that. There's different latching points. So As I was saying, there was a different latching points on this. So there's, let me try to get in the frame for the camera. That's the lowest right there, that position. That's 1 notch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the 7. 8 latches. Right there for the tallest one. And we're gonna test it out on my Ranger here. So let me try to mount it. Now you saw me mount it. You notice that it's not leveled. So we could go down a bit. So we'll do that. It looks level to me. See how that's level now? And then now you could, so that's how it looked like, obviously. And then you could do your whatever you gotta do, whether it's maybe a brake booster up there, or steering column, wiring a fuse box, or check fuses and relays. You can do anything under the dash. And there's a little tray here, so you can put a little bit of bolts or fuses in here. And then there's this metal part where you can put a magnet, a magnetic flashlight. That's this OEM Tools magnetic flashlight. So you just get the magnet piece, get it on there. Now it's magnetic. It's not going anywhere, and you could light it. So with that, let me turn my camera light off. So right there, you can work what you need to do under the dash. You'll be good to go. So that's the Matco under dash creeper. So you don't want to be breaking your back when doing these jobs and shit. Now this magnet's pretty strong actually. Let me tighten this. See, it takes quite a bit of force to pop that off. So that's pretty strong. This isn't a magnet, I believe it's just a metal. Cause I tried it with a socket, but it's a good piece of metal. I don't know what type of metal it is, but it grabs the magnet pretty good. So that's my new tool haul. See you guys later.